Hello friends, myself Ravikant this side welcomes you to your YouTube channel Dream Education, an educational platform which is meant for redefining the conceptual learning. Friends, our today's topic is passive conversion of interrogatives. Today we will learn about this passive conversion of interrogatives means the passive conversion of question marks. So let's begin with the topic. And friends, if really this channel stands beneficial for you, please do not forget to subscribe to it, share the videos, put your comments so that I can come up with more and more beneficial videos. And once again, your thumbs up is required by me to keep me motivated. That is your likes on the videos. Moving forward with the topic of the day, that is passive conversion of interrogative sentences. Friends, this interrogative sentence is nothing but the sentence which are used to ask questions are said to be interrogative sentences. The sentences which are used to ask questions are interrogative sentences, and the best way to identify these interrogative sentences is that it always ends with a question mark. These interrogative sentences are of two types, that is yes no questions and WH questions. Yes no questions means the questions which can be answered either in yes or no. For example, are you a boy? The answer may be either yes or no. So such type of questions are known as yes no questions. Whereas WS questions, these questions begin with the question words such as when, who, why, how, what, where, etc. So yes no questions, they always begins with auxiliary, and WH questions, they always begins with question words. So we have got here that interrogative sentences are of two types, that is yes no question and WH questions. Now we will deal how to convert these two types of sentences into its passive voice. First we will deal with the yes no questions. Passive of yes no questions. To convert yes no questions into its passive voice, just we have to follow three steps. Just follow three steps and you will get the answer. In step 1, convert the interrogative sentence into its assertive form. I have an interrogative sentence. Is he playing cricket? Is he playing cricket? This is an interrogative sentence and the answer can be given in either yes or no. So this is a type of yes no question. What is the first step? In first step, we have to convert this interrogative sentence into its assertive. And finally, we will get he is playing cricket. Now, in our previous video, we have dealt with how to convert the active voice into its passive voice for assertive sentences. So please follow the rules which we had dealt there. Now this sentence is in present continuous and we already know how to convert the sentence of present continuous into its passive voice. So in step 2, convert the assertive sentence so formed into its passive voice. ये जो assertive sentence अभी हमें मिला है, हम उसको उसके passive voice में convert कर देंगे according to the rules of assertive sentences, and then what we will get, cricket is being played by him. हमें क्या मिलेगा वहां पर, cricket is being played by him. Now in third step, just take out the auxiliary from the passive and put it at first to make the sentence interrogative. To make it interrogative, spelling error over here, sorry, extremely sorry for that. Here to make it interrogative. Now, what the basic funda we have learned? cricket is being played by him. And what we have to do, just take out the auxiliary. What is auxiliary over here? Is. इस इज को निकाल के और सेंटेंस के स्टार्टिंग में पुट अप कर देना एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. इज क्रिकेट बीइंग प्लेड बाय हिम इज द फाइनल आंसर फॉर द सेंटेंस इज ही प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. सो व्हाट वी डिड, वी जस्ट फॉलोड 3 स्टेप्स. द स्टेप्स आर, सबसे पहले इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस को असर्टिव में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए. जब आप असर्टिव में कन्वर्ट कर देंगे देन यू विल गेट कि ये किस टेंस का सेंटेंस है. फॉलो द रूल फॉर दैट टेंस एंड कन्वर्ट इट इनटू इट्स पैसिव. और पैसिव बनाने के बाद उसके ऑक्सिलियरी को टेक आउट कीजिए और सेंटेंस के फर्स्ट में पुट अप कर दीजिए एंड फाइनली यू विल गेट द आंसर. द प्रैक्टिस of the such type of questions will give you more perfection, I can say rather. So this was the way how to convert the yes no questions into its passive form. Now I will deal with how to convert the WH questions into its passive form. Please pay attention. This is quite easy. To convert the WH questions into its passive voice, follow these steps. Here also we will follow 3 steps. In step 1 we have to do remove WH word from the given sentence. जो भी WH words हैं, जो भी question word हैं, for example what, where, how, when, उनको remove कर लीजिए sentence से. First thing, उसको sentence से remove कर जाइए. थोड़ी देर के लिए उस word को भूल जाइए. Remove WH word from the given sentence. See, for example, why had he taken my book? According to the first rule, WH word means why को भूल जाना है. So, जब why को हम भूल गए, क्या बन गया अब ये? Had he taken my book? Now see, this sentence got converted into yes no question. And we already know how to convert yes no questions into its passive form. So follow the rules of passive conversion for yes no. अब yes no का जो passive conversion का rules है उसको follow कीजिए and get the answer. The answer will be like this. Had he taken my book? Had he taken my book? Had my book been taken by him? That will be the passive of this yes no question. And in the third step, put that WH word again to get the answer. और हमने जहां से उसे उठाया था, मीन्स सेंटेंस के फर्स्ट से हमने WH वर्ड को उठाया था. नाउ पुट इट बैक अगेन एंड नाउ यू विल गेट द आंसर. व्हाई हैड माय बुक बीन टेकन बाय हिम? व्हाई हैड माय बुक बीन टेकन बाय हिम? सो दिस इज द वे ऑफ कन्वर्टिंग WH क्वेश्चंस इनटू इट्स पैसिव वॉइस. क्या करना है? सिंपली वंस अगेन 3 रूल्स. द फर्स्ट, WH वर्ड्स मीन्स द क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स, उनको आप सेंटेंस से रिमूव कर दीजिए. थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल जाइए कि WH वर्ड्स कहीं है. जैसे ही आप WH वर्ड को रिमूव करेंगे, व्हाट यू विल फाइंड कि नाउ दिस सेंटेंस हैज बीन कन्वर्टेड टू यस नो क्वेश्चन. और इसके पहले वाले स्लाइड में हमने डील किया है हाउ टू कन्वर्ट दैट यस नो क्वेश्चन इनटू इट्स पैसिव वॉइस. सो फॉलो दोज रूल्स, you will get the passive sentence for that yes no question. And once again, just जो WH word आपने remove किया था, now put it back again. You will get the answer. There is one more case, that is of the questions which begins with who. There is some different type of rule for that. So that's why I have dealt that topic in a separate slide. See, case of questions beginning with who. Case of the questions beginning with who. To convert who questions into passive voice, follow these steps. Just follow 2 steps. Convert the given sentence into its passive considering the normal assertive. और हम लोग जैसे नॉर्मल असर्टिव सेंटेंस का पैसिव कन्वर्सन करते हैं, जस्ट उसी तरीके से इसको पैसिव कर दीजिए. नॉर्मल असर्टिव सेंटेंस के पैसिव में हम क्या करते हैं? सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इंटरचेंज देयर पोजीशन, देन वी फॉलो द रूल्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेंस एंड चेंज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोनाउंस एंड ऑल दोस. बेसिकली सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इंटरचेंज एंड the change in the form of verb means according to the tense. So what we have done here, who has written this book? Consider this subject. ऑब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के प्लेस को हम इंटरचेंज करेंगे एंड टेंस के अकॉर्डिंग वर्ब फॉर्म में चेंजेस लाएंगे, वही हमने किया है। ऑब्जेक्ट को सब्जेक्ट बनाया, दिस बुक हैज बीन रिटन एंड बाय हूम। सेम, तो WHO मीन्स हु लगे हुए क्वेश्चंस को अगर पैसिव कन्वर्सन करना है तो जस्ट कंसीडर इट दिस गिवन क्वेश्चन, कंसीडर दैट गिवन क्वेश्चन as a normal sentence of assertive and convert it into its passive. And in the second rule, take out by whom, यहां जो by whom मिला है हमें उसको टेक आउट कीजिए एंड पुट इट इन फर्स्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस। by whom this book has been written, by whom this book has been written. just do one thing, इस by whom को यहां से टेक आउट कीजिए और सबसे पहले ले जाके लगा दीजिए, then we will get by whom this book has been written. You are getting over here, by whom this book has been written. So we have to follow only two steps. जस्ट उसको नॉर्मल असर्टिव मानते हुए WHO से जो क्वेश्चंस स्टार्ट हुए हैं, मींस द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच बिगिंस विथ हु, उनको नॉर्मल असर्टिव मानते हुए उनका पैसिव कन्वर्सन कर दीजिए, सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इंटरचेंज, देन चेंज ऑफ वर्ब फॉर्म अकॉर्डिंग टू द टेंस, and what are the rules which we are following for conversion of normal assertive sentences. Just follow that and then take out by whom and put it at the first of the sentence. You will get the answer. So these are all about the basics of passive conversion of interrogatives, and with this I hope the topic is clear to you. If you are having any doubts, please put your comments in the comment box and you will be getting your reply to my best possible level. And my next upcoming video is on passive of imperatives, that is commands, orders, requests, suggestions and advice. So please keep joining or keep watching my videos to improve your knowledge level and to improve your conceptual learning in the finest possible way. Once again, thanks you, and please do not forget to put your thumbs up, like my videos and share it if really it deserves. Thanks once again.